You are going to love the 2019 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power lift gate, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, dual exhaust, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.